Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to get mention in bio notifications from everyone on Instagram with the latest update. If you want to stay in the loop whenever someone mentions you in their bio, this quick guide will help you set it up in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app and head straight to your profile. You'll find your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're there, look for the three horizontal lines icon, also known as the bar icon, located at the top right corner. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section holds all the controls for your account preferences, including notifications. After you enter the settings, find and tap on Notifications. This is where you can customize how and when Instagram alerts you. Inside Notifications, look for the option labeled Following and Followers. This category manages notifications related to people you follow and those who follow you. Tap on it to see more options. Now, the key step: find Mention in Bio. This is the notification setting that controls alerts when someone mentions you in their Instagram bio. Tap on it, and you'll see different options for who can send you these notifications. To make sure you get notified by everyone, select From Everyone. This means no matter who mentions you in their bio, you'll receive a notification. It's a great way to keep track of all the shoutouts and mentions across the platform. And that's it! You've successfully enabled Mention in Bio notifications from everyone on Instagram. Now you won't miss a single mention, whether it's from friends, followers, or even new connections. Remember, keeping your notifications updated helps you stay engaged and connected with your Instagram community. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying notified about all those mentions.